New drill press, boys. Got this for my birthday this year. It's a Mastercraft 4.1 amp. And some specs on it are, it includes drill press, chuck key, 2 AA batteries for the light, manual. It comes with a built-in LED. It's 1/16 to 5/8 inch adjustable keyed chuck, and it has adjustable depth stop. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. Shot. So it looks like you're going to have to set it up. It doesn't come already set up. There's one part. Those are the batteries. We got some nuts and bolts. Oh no, those are the batteries. Looks like this is a table. I do need a vise for it, but I didn't get that today. This looks like, I don't know what that is. We'll figure out. And the 3 knobs. Bring it down. Oh, okay, here's good stuff. Here's the base. This looks like the motor, the power unit. I need both hands for this. And that looks like it's it. Cool. I'll get back to you guys when it's set up. Alright, the drill press is set up. It's pretty cool. This is actually the base, this bottom part. This is the table. Comes with 3 knobs. There's a power. Comes with a chuck. Here's the pulleys. The belt is pretty tight. If I unlock that, you can crank this up. It goes on this rail, up or down. Yeah, and then you lock it. I still gotta get it all level and like straight and stuff, but it's for another day. This goes down about that far, I think. It might be locked somewhere. I don't know. It's pretty nice though. I'll turn it on for you guys. It comes with this, and then a LED light, but here it is. It spins pretty fast. I'll probably have to put it on a slower belt, but like I said, I gotta get a piece of wood for this and a clamp, or a vise. so I'm not drilling into this table. It's pretty nice. Yeah, you can also take this bolt off here. I know you probably can't see that. You can twist this to a degree, and it tells you the degrees, like go from 0 to 45 this way and that way. So you can tip it 90 degrees, 45 each way. But yeah, it's 3.5 horsepower, 10-inch drill press from Mastercraft. Thanks for watching.